Nasdaq and Dow, which has started the week on a strongly bullish note. We have seen both Nasdaq and Dow erasing some of the gains here. For in fact, US 30 has come towards 42,720 levels and now trying to recover a bit. Likewise, with the US 100 hitting the support zone at 21,350. 340. Now, what to expect today from Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? Can we expect a recovery and a rise, or another day with bears out there is possible? Yes, this can be a profit booking week when the most of the traders might go on leave liquidating their positions. So you need to be trading with caution, trade with stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. What's happening on Tech 100 on the early chart? See, it is started with a gap down. It has taken the support here from 21,300 and now trying to bounce back. Very important for US 100 to trade now above 21,500. That is the only level above which the bullishness might prevail. Else it can again reverse and drop. And in fact, even if you see it is staying above 21,420, you can buy, expect 21,460 and 21,500 as the next target. See, moving averages crossing over here is a good sign for the bulls, and the support from 21,300 is pretty strong here. So you have to either wait for 21,300 to be taken on the downside for sell, else it can bounce back. Stochastic oversold. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross here. It is not that it cannot rise further as it is coming from slightly lower levels, but it is struggling here on the upside. Let's see if it continues to diverge here. RSI rising, coming to 2-hour charts. When you see the on the 2-hour charts also, it is a similar observation that the support from the 20 period is pretty strong, and if it trades now below 21,300, you can look forward to another round of drop here, taking it till towards 21,240, 180, 140. And if 21,140 is taken, then certainly another round of drop which may take 100 towards 21,000 levels here. But right now it is finding the support from the 20 period is strong, trying to bounce back, and if you see it is staying beyond 21,420, 460 levels, certainly we can say that the bulls will be back in action. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat here. On the 3-hour charts, the observation on the 3-hour charts is almost same here, taking the support from the 20 period. Does it appears 21,300 levels today are going to remain the prime support zone, and it is only if it trades below 21,300 you can look forward to a bearishness, and that too 21,240, 200 should be the stronger support here, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. The moving averages here are definitely trading bearish, but the prices might try to recover a bit before dropping further. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD is rising here, crossing over at the bottom, and the RSI is flat. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts also similar observation is seen here, taking the support, trying to recover. I'll wait for it to trade now beyond 21,420, 460 zone, and then 21,500. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish. Stay bullish for 21,600 here, and in fact 21,720, 760 can be expected very soon. Stochastic over. See the crossover here in MACD at the bottom, it is trading with divergence looking upwards, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to on the daily charts here, similar is the observation. See, it is shown a swing here, and now it is trying to come at the median. Now this swing zone is pretty critical in between 21,300 to 21,500, and this is precisely the median, which is also pretty good support levels here. So the farther it goes from the median, the bulls will take over, or if it trades below, it is going to be bearish. So in between this 21,300, 500, we have to exercise a bit of caution. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD is crossed over at the top. It is trading bearish looking downwards, and it is not much of room on the downside as well, and the RSI has dropped as well. So considering this, you can buy here at 21,420, expect 21,450, 460, and 21,500. If 21,500 is taken, certainly the bulls will be taking over. You can look forward to 21,560 and 21,600. Beyond 21,600, 21,720, 760 levels should be there very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 21,320 levels, expected to move towards 21,280, 300 at the first target zone, 21,240, 250 at the next, and then 21,200. If 21,200 is taken, I think the look back, the rise will be difficult. 21,000 is a certainty there. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. And yes, if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a sweat-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video. Now, when you see the hourly chart, see this was the bearish channel in which US 30 was trading. It has shown a good drop, consolidated, and bounced back. So is it back in this channel? I think there is still a little room for it to continue. Though these levels are certainly a fallback towards this channel, but again, after the rise, it is retraced and now hitting the resistance, it is trying to drop again. But I'll say I'll still not treat this as bearish as long as now 42,600 is not taken. Only bearishness here in US30 is below 42,600. See, after the crossover in the moving average, it is consolidating here in between 20 and 50 period average here. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, looking downwards. After a good rise, it can erase some of the gains here. The RSI has dropped sharp, coming to 2. Look at the 2-hour charts, taking the support from the 20 period. It is trying to bounce back. Now it is very, very important for it to trade above 43,000 level. That is the level beyond which you can say more bullishness should prevail. But in fact, if you see it is staying above 42,800, when you see the lower prices above 42,800, you can buy. Expect 42,900, 920 as the first target zone and 43,000 as the second. If 43,000 is taken, consider that as a reversal here. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover. RSI has dropped here. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here, lower highs, lower lows. It may try to bounce back, it may try to recover. Just wait for it to trade above 43,000. That is the only level above which bullishness may prevail. While on the downside now 42,600, 580, because below this it can erase this gains from this candle heading towards 42,300 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The resistance on the upside is very, very important, and it is trying to trade with increasing bearishness. I'll wait for it to break out either which ways. On the downside till 42,600, very, very important support levels are existent here, and on the upside till 43,000, very, very good resistance is available. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to rise, trying to recover from the lows here. RSI is trading in a comfortable zone, and if you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, it has started with a gap up. It has now erased the gains here. It has filled the gap and it can bounce back up again. Yes, it can rise again and move towards 43,200, 43,500 level. There is a possibility to it, but then you have to wait for it to break beyond the critical resistances. The stochastic rising, the MACD is sharply bearish and the RSI is dropped here. So considering this, you can buy though actually at 42,800, but this is going to be very critical as long as 43,020, 43,050 is not taken. And if these levels are taken, 43,020,050, I think the drop will be difficult and then it can turn bullish. But as long as this is not taken, you have to be cautious. And if you're buying at 42,800, you have to cautious of 42,880, 920 as the first, 43,000 as the second, and 43,025, 43,050 is the third. If 43,050 is taken, I think we are looking forward to 43,120 and 43,200 as the next target. Beyond this, it is going to fly high towards 43,400 levels directly. And on the downside, very, very important for US30 to break now below 42,600. In fact, even if you see it is staying below 42,720, stay short for 42,660, 600, then 500, and then 400 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.